I created parallel futures for the Young Museum Student Showcase, where to the call of the time in April 2011. There are intangible urgencies floating near us: climate change, loss of biodiversities, and etc. Few of us take it seriously because CO2, the culprit, escapes from our five senses. In this work, I wish to concretize these environmental issues by engaging both the audience vision and affection, giving CO2 color and smell. The diptych format of oil painting is inspired by quantum physics. I perceive the future to be a superposition of multiple scenarios. As a global citizen, we can influence whether we have a planet of peace and growth or a planet of pollution and terror.